Gardeners in colder climates can still have success in growing watermelon vines by starting seeds indoors and choosing short-season varieties. Watermelon seeds rank as one of the easiest seeds to collect and save from ripe fruit. Simply scoop the seeds out of a watermelon, rinse them underwater to remove any fruit pieces or fruit juices, and let them air dry on a paper towel. Many types of plant seeds benefit from pre-planting soaking to soften the outer seed coating and hasten germination. However, watermelons are an exception. Soaking the seeds before planting increases the risks of various fungal diseases, such as anthracnose caused by the Colletotrichum laganarium fungus. So avoid soaking the seeds. You can start watermelon seeds indoors 2 or 3 weeks before they are to be set out in the garden. Don't start seeds any earlier, because large watermelon seedlings transplant poorly. Plant 3 seeds in small pots filled with moist seed starting mix. Plant your seeds at about 2 to 3 times deeper than the seed itself. Use your finger to gently press the seeds into the soil. Water and keep the soil moist. As long as you keep the soil moist and above 18 degrees, your watermelon plant should emerge in a few days. Place in a sunny south-facing window or under lights to germinate. Make sure the area is warm. Ideally 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Just remember that watermelon requires a long growing season. If you start this sprawling plant early enough in the year, you can enjoy its fruits from late summer to early fall. Watermelons don't like to be transplanted, but it's unavoidable when growing them from seed indoors. So be extra careful not to damage the fragile root system when transplanting, and don't forget to harden off your seedlings. With proper hardening off, your watermelon seedlings will have an easier transition to the garden and begin producing sooner. Happy organic gardening!